The following video is filmed over a year ago and on a road that I know well, so that's why I decided to try that road for driving with a welding helmet. I wouldn't recommend it because you get a limited field of vision. I just did it because I could, and technically there is, from what I could find out, there is no law on the books that says you can't drive without a helmet, like a welding helmet or something, because I guess they didn't think people would do that. But I don't be doing this. The driving was not reckless. Everything went fine. It was only about 2 miles, 2-lane back road, very little traffic. I just did it because they wanted to see how it would go. Just experiment. So yeah, without further ado, that's just what I was trying to do, and it went fine. But yeah, I don't want to get anybody in trouble.
Yeah, whatever. So, no, this is not illegal to do while you're driving. I looked it up a little earlier. No, why on earth would I try this? It's a back road, not much traffic, and a low speed limit. And I just wanted to see what it was like. It's on grind mode. So I promise you, okay, it's kind of weird. I won't be doing this long, I'm just curious. Yes, I have an actual pretty good peripheral on this. It's a 10-inch square viewing window, although the auto darkening setting is turned off. There are some helmets, like Speed Glass, one variety of Speed Glass, that has peripheral on the sides. You can see out the corners of your eyes. I can actually get a pretty good view of the mirrors with this. Do I recommend this? No. But with a larger viewing window and not the little one, not the small Hershey's chocolate bar, it's a lot more viable, you could say. And I think I can drive pretty well. It's just something out of a curiosity. Not a normal thing for those concerned, I can assure you. This is not something I'd do on the highway either. But it's like if you wore yellow safety glasses, except it's a slight green tinge. I suppose it's really no worse than somebody who has one eyeball when driving, except you still have some depth perception just in a slightly limited fashion. Yeah, it's kind of stupid. Yes, this is the only time I'll be attempting this. And I would not even try it if it was like papers. Now the thing is, World War II, they were driving